Hey guys, it's Shakira. So I saw this picture of Rihanna and I wanted to recreate this look because everybody always tell me how much I look like her. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna start off with a fresh face, foundation and everything, and I'm just gonna be doing my eyeshadow and lips on camera to show you guys how I recreated this look. Lining my bottom waterline with a green eyeliner pencil. Can somebody please tell me if I'm the only one that make those crazy ass face when I'm doing my makeup? Like really, come on now. Where I place the green eyeliner pencil, I'm just gonna put a green, navy green eyeshadow underneath there, pat the color on and blend it until I have a seamless finish. I'm using a matte brown color on my lid and taking it up into my crease area and blending it out. I'm using a warm brown eyeshadow with a red undertone and placing that in my crease area and also in my outer V, blending it outwards and up into my brow bone so I can have that cat eye effect. Add mascara on both bottom and top lash line, or you can add falsies, but I just did mascara and it's a pain in the ass to do on camera, so that's why I didn't do it on camera. Now I'm using a Carmex because my lips are tore up from the floor up, beat up from the feet up, like no joke. After I prep my lips with Carmex, I'm gonna be using my Revlon Matte Balm in Shameless and filling in my lips with that because I feel like it's a perfect purple color and it mimics the color that she had on so perfectly. As you can see, this is the finished project. I was not playing when I said my lips were tore up, but nonetheless, it is my final recreation of her look.